Good morning students. Today we are starting exercise 5.2 question 3rd. In this figure P is parallel to Q. These two lines are parallel and we have to find the unknown angles A, B, C, D, E, F. Now as the lines are parallel, corresponding angles and alternate interior angles like this will be equal. Vertically opposite angles are also equal. So on the basis of all these we will find different unknown angles. Now first see 125 and D are corresponding angles. PK जो है ये लेफ्ट साइड पे है और क्यू के भी लेफ्ट साइड पे, तो दोनों एंगल्स एक छोड़ के जो एंगल होता है कौन सा होता है, कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. सो यू कैन राइट एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू 125. With every angle you have to write the reason, corresponding angles. That's why these are equal. Now write this also, since P is parallel to Q. Because these are parallel, that's why D is equal to 125. Now D and B both are vertically opposite angle. D is equal to B is equal to 125. Why? Vertical opposite angles. Now if I see this F, 125 and F are on straight line, linear pair. So angle 125 degree and F is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear LP, linear pair. Now from here we can find angle F is equal to 180 degree. Shift this 125 degree, you will get 55 degree. Now angle F is equal to 55. F and E are again vertical opposite. So angle E is equal to angle F is equal to 55. The reason, vertical opposite angles. Now same like 125 and D, E and A are on right hand side of the parallel lines PQ. Therefore they are corresponding. Angle A is equal to angle E is equal to 55 degree. Corresponding angles. Now when you have find angle A, then angle A and C are again vertical opposite angle. So you will write C is equal to A is equal to 55 degree, vertical opposite angles. At the bottom write all the unknown angles that you have find out. Angle A is equal to A equal to C is equal to E. These angles A, C and E are, and F also is equal to 55 degree. These all. And angle E, B and D is equal to 125 degree. So A, B, C, D, E, F, all the angles we have found out. This is the answer. Question 4. Find the value of X if L is parallel to M. L and M are parallel. Now see, there is no relation between these two. So first find this angle. I am naming it 1. So angle, since L is parallel to M, therefore angle 1 plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. 180 बनाएंगे ये दो एंगल. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. Now 1 is on left, this is on right, and interior portion, therefore angle X is equal to angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Why? Alternate interior angles. So this way you have to do. Second is A is parallel to B. This L and M. L is parallel to M. Now as L is parallel to M, see this is on left, L के left है, ये M के left है, ये छूट गया एंगल. तो what type of angles these are? Corresponding angles. तो angle X is, since L is parallel to M, this you have to write. Why? Because then only corresponding angles are equal. X is equal to 100 degree. The reason is corresponding angles. Question 5th. In given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. These two, AB is parallel to DE, and ये जो हमारी horizontal है BC is parallel to EF, and ABC, this angle is given to us as 70 degree. We have to find DGC. I have marked it 1, and DEF I have marked it 2. Is it clear? Now as AB slanting line is parallel to DE, you are seeing, therefore see this is AB के राइट हैंड साइड पे और DE के भी राइट हैंड साइड पे है. तो ये कौन से एंगल हो गए? Corresponding angles. As AB is parallel to DE, therefore angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. Why? The reason is corresponding angles. Now angle 1 you have find out. This second part we have to find DEF. So as you will write as BC is parallel to EF. These two horizontal lines are parallel. इस लाइन के ऊपर और इस EF के भी ऊपर वाला एंगल है. Therefore DEF is equal to DGC, और DGC अभी हमने फाइंड किया है 70 degree. Why? Because this is corresponding angle. So side by side you have to give reason also. Now in question number 6, in the given figure, decide whether L is parallel to M. We have to show, this is not given, we have to show L is parallel to M. For L being parallel to M, we have been given these two angles. What type of angle these are? Interior angles हैं और दोनों क्या हैं? Right पे. Interior angles on same side of transversal. So find the sum. Now see, angle 126 plus 44, 6 plus 4 10, 4 5 6 7, and this is 170 degree. And what we wanted? 180. अगर angles on same side of interior angles on same side of transversal are 180, then lines are parallel, but sum is 170 degree. So we can say as sum of interior angles on same side of transversal is not equal to 180 degree या are not supplementary, Therefore, L is not parallel to M. Now second part, here also we have to show L is parallel to M or not. This have no relation. So first I am going to find this angle. Angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to 75 degree. Why? Vertical opposite angles. Is it clear? ये vertical opposite है. Now these two angles, 75 plus 75 degree is equal to 150 degree. Now same reason as sum of angles, interior angles on same side of transversal AR is not supplementary or not equal to 180 degree. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. R is not sum is not supplementary. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. Now third part, these angles are given and they have no relation. So first should I find this? Why? Because this and this angle will be vertical alternate angles, alternate interior angles, एक right पे एक left पे और अंदर के side. So if lines will be equal, they will be equal. To find this, I am naming it angle 1. Now angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 57 degree. Why? Because linear pair. Is it clear? Now you will get 1 is equal to 123 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to this angle. I am giving it name as, here I am giving it name 2. Angle 1 and 2 are equal as alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, L is parallel to M. Fourth part, this figure is given. Now name it angle 1. So angle 1 is equal to 72 degree. Why? Vertical opposite angles. Is it clear? Now you are seeing these two lines are crossing. These are vertical opposite. Now 98 and 1 are on same side of transversal. 98 plus 72 degree is equal to 8, 9, 10 and you will get 170 degree. So same reason as we did earlier also, as sum of interior angles on same side of, this is transversal, of transversal is not supplementary. Yeah, angles are not, as sum of interior angles on same side of is not 180 degree supplementary. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. In this way we have to show. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.